Kekata na laman silipan, reng 14 na dalaga, amiligligan para king Mutyaning Santa Ana 2025. Ay ni report.
Kasado ne ingka piestan king Valening Santa Ana king daratang July 26 aldoning Sabado at metong kareng peka antabayan ng highlight ing Mutyaning Santa Ana 2025 apakyabayan dareng 14 a kandidata ibat kareng 14 barangay ning Balen. Inyang July 23 genapan ning advocacy interview king Municipal Hall nung nukarin pepakit ing kabiasnan pamanalakaran at kakayanan king pamagsalita dareng kandidata. Keti pepa syagda ing kanya-kanyarang advokasya alayong mamye ambag king karelang komunidad. Agpangkanto ni Legaspi, organizer at pageant director ning Mutyaning Santa Ana, eya mo kano iti makatutok king leguan, nune makapatungkol king puso at kapag nasandareng kayanakang pempenyo.
Kasi ang ating mga candidates ay nag-prepare ng mabuti para dito sa advocacy and closed-door interview. And according to our judges, napaka-genuine nilang sumagot, taos at galing sa puso ang kanilang mga kasagutan. Kaya nga po, masaya kami kasi I think Santa Ana is very blessed this year because they have the best representatives from each barangay.
Ganapan niya yung Coronation Night king July 25, 2025 king Santa Ana Convention and Sports Development Center. Neto nga bengi ning leguan, talento at selebrasyon. Bayo yung mismong kapiestan king July 26. Antabayanan, ninupin kaya ing kilalanan at mikronahan bilang mutya ning Santa Ana 2025.
We are inviting everyone to please come and watch the Grand Coronation of Mutyaning Santa Ana 2025. It's going to be on July 25 at 6 p.m. at the Santa Ana Convention and Sports Development Center. It's just within the new Santa Ana Municipal Hall grounds.
Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.